Hi everyone, this is Wen from Wen Group. Welcome to 639 3rd Avenue. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom upstairs with an 1-bed, 1-bath as an ADU downstairs, or you can use it as a duplex. 您好，歡迎跟我一起參觀這個 in the Richmond 的大宅。裝修精緻，我哋一齊睇下。The 2-level main house features an inviting living area, formal dining room, and an updated kitchen with contemporary finishes. A sunlit bedroom and a laundry room with a deck access enhance the main level, complemented by a hallway updated full bath and central heating for added comfort. The top floor boasts a master bedroom with an ensuite bath, as well as 2 additional bedrooms that shares an updated bathroom. 房子主屋有2层，一楼是半开放式客厅、餐廳，裝修簡約的廚房，額外的臥室和洗手間為這個房子增添功能。2樓係闊綽嘅主人套房，2間客房共用一個精緻嘅洗手間。On the street level, a self-contained ADU includes a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and a bedroom, along with a versatile bonus space in the back. 樓下是一個一房一衛一廚的實用 ADU 單元，無論係出租定自住都好合適。The property has a flat backyard, which includes an art studio, offering potentials for further development. 後院平坦，室外環境好，還有個獨立的小空間，後院潛力無限。Conveniently situated within walking distance of restaurants, retail stores, Golden Gate Park, and public transportation, this home is ideal for a large family, offering income potential through the house hacking, or serves as a smart investment opportunity. This property is a coveted choice for those who value both convenience and style. 这个房子既适合大家庭，又適合投資出租。地理位置優越，交通方便，食飯買餸都好方便。精緻方便大氣，快啲過嚟一齊參觀啦！希望周末可以見到你們。What do you think? Why don't you come and take a look? It's about time to pick a key, enjoy the home, make some extra income. I'll see you in our private tour or open house.